my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS Rock 254, man. Bring another one from the Cutlass. Still in the process of doing all the upgrades. Still no trains. Let me show you what we've been working on the inside. Up. Is that a shifter in the floor, my boy? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. In there mounted. What I did, I just made a template at the bottom of it. And then from there, cut back the carpet and the insulation. Got to the metal, made my marks, drilled my holes, bolts with washers and lock washers. And now it is good to go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Still gotta. I was getting ready to drill a hole, but it looks like it's getting ready to rain, so I'm finna get ready to cut it short. But yeah, basically, now I just have to drill a hole for this cable to go through. It's pretty much gonna be a straight line of sight from here. So I drilled the hole. Like I said, I started cutting the carpet back right there. Hold on, let me turn the light on. All right, there it goes. So yeah, pretty much a straight line of sight from here. Started cutting back the carpet. And we're gonna go straight from here, bam, into the flow. And then it'll loop back around the transmission, hook up on the driver's side, and that'll be it for that. But yeah. She in there. She in there. Looks good. Looks good. Sitting in the car. These seats is more just reclining, laid back, so I'm probably have to adjust them somewhat. Yeah, should be able to boom, sit up a little bit, reach down. First, neutral, drive, second, first. First lockout. That's it. So, next video, I'll have that hole drilled, and I will have the cable routed through and be getting ready to put it through the flow. Should still be good with the gauges. Like I said, once you pull it back, no problem. So I don't think that'll be an issue. Yeah, man. Short, sweet, shifter install. Let me show you what else we gotta do. So like I was saying, this kit right here. kit right here that got to be installed on the transmission. Bracket lever kit for $350-$400, so that we can mount the cable to the transmission, and we have to adjust it properly so we don't have no mishaps. I was able to find the directions for installing online. So yeah, installation bracket thingamajigger, if you can see there. This attaches to the transmission, and then so that bracket, and then that going on the actual transmission there. So should be pretty simple. Pretty simple installation of that. And then we'll have everything we need to finish installing the shifter into the car. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. Like it, like how it looks. I think it'll be good. And then when I put the cover over it, you won't see this little torn part of the carpet and everything like that, so it'll look a lot nicer, you know, about as nice as it needs to look for race car shit or street car shit. I mean, let me rephrase: street car. I don't want nobody to get confused. Street car shit. So I guess we can go ahead. Actually, it's about to rain now, so we're gonna take it inside the garage and probably go ahead and install this on the transmission. That way I have move everything over from the old transmission. Let me show you. So yeah, I'm in the process of moving everything over from the old transmission to the new transmission. Part of the reason why I got this up on the chair like this now, so that I can got the access to the bolt holes that I need to, so that I can go ahead and secure and put our bracket lever kit on our transmission, so it's good to go. So let me get cracking with this, and then I'll cut y'all back on. All right, we back, y'all. It's your boy Ellis, everybody 254. I had to run to the parts store. This bracket has some spacers, which required a longer, what's the word I'm looking for? Required a longer screw. So I had to go get 2 of those screws. That's why those are golden or whatever. It said in the instructions that they were supplied a 2 5/16 by 18 by 1 inch, but they were not. So I had to go buy those, and then I had to go buy a new nut for that, which was 3/8 by 16. It can vary from what I read on different forums or whatever. So I just bought both of the 3/8 24 and 3/8 by 16, and then whatever one fit, I will use. Whatever didn't, return it tomorrow. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the actual install onto the transmission. The cable come through here. When you pull back on it, it's gonna pull through the cable and then pull it into the different gears, and we'll be good to go. So one step closer. The only thing I still have to get off of this transmission is the transmission mount, as well as this cable here. I don't know if I have to take the pan off to get it. I'm gonna figure that out, and then pretty much go from there, man. So one step closer, getting it ready to go in. B&M shifter cable kit install, or shifter lever, bracket and lever is installed. So yeah, these two bolts come out. Put your spacers on, use your new bolts, bolt, plate, spacer, secure, and then you install this on the shifter joint and you're good to go. So that's that, man. Till next time, it's your boy LSA Rock 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.